Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Figma design systems for teams at Shopify. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Figma on your desktop or browser. Create a new file for your design system. Name this file something relevant, like Shopify design system. Begin by defining your color palette. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Draw a series of rectangles to represent your primary, secondary, and accent colors. Use the color picker to fill each rectangle with your selected colors. Label each rectangle with the respective color's name. Next, create text styles for typography. Add a text box for each font style you plan to use. Include headings, subheadings, and body text styles. Set the font family, weight, and size for each text style. Move on to creating components for common UI elements. Design buttons, input fields, and navigation bars. Convert each design element into a component by selecting it and using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+K. Ensure you name each component clearly so teammates can find them easily. Organize your components into categories using frames. Label each frame according to its category, like buttons or forms. Create a consistent spacing system to maintain structure. Define standard sizes for margins and padding. Use a grid layout to help guide placement and alignment across components. Document usage guidelines for each component. Include examples of proper use and any do's and don'ts. Share your Figma file with the team. Set permissions to ensure everyone can access and edit as needed. Create a version history within Figma to track changes over time. Use the comment feature to gather feedback from team members. Regularly review and update the design system as new components are introduced. Establish a routine for maintaining consistency across designs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.